Hello everyone. Today's video is about a simple DIY which you can do it at home to stop any sort of hair fall and hair breakage. For this, all you need are 3 ingredients, that is olive oil, aloe vera gel and some drops of rosemary essential oil. Along with these 3 ingredients, the things that you may need is a glass bowl, a spoon to mix all the ingredients. You would also need a napkin or a hair towel and a wide tooth comb. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. All you need to do is mix all these ingredients. I'm going to be taking a little bit of olive oil in a glass bowl. Here I will be taking 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and about 3 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. As we all know, olive oil is very good for strengthening of your hair. Aloe vera gel is something that is going to give your hair a lot of moisturizing, especially in case if your hair are frizzy. And rosemary essential oil is very powerful in its fragrance. It also has an excellent effect as far as any scalp disorders are concerned, and it also promotes hair growth. So yeah, after having done that, we are going to make sure that we are mixing all the ingredients well. Once you mix all the ingredients, you will get a thick consistency of this mix, which is going to look something like this. You can have the same thing applied on your scalp, either by using your fingers or you could use some cotton. Here I'm going to be using my fingers, making sure that you detangle your hair before doing the same. Making sure that you partition your hair section by section and have the entire mixture applied on your scalp. In case if you have any leftover, you can have that applied on the ends of your hair. And yeah, we are done with the entire mix. Thereafter, gently massage your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can also use the wide tooth comb to comb out your hair. Gently combing your hair is also a very good stimulant for your hair growth. Now getting yourself ready for some steam. I have used this napkin and I have dipped it in a bowl of hot water, so that it gives a nice good steam to the hair follicles, and the entire mix that we have just applied of olive oil, aloe vera and rosemary essential oil is nicely penetrated deep inside the scalp. Let your hair remain like this for about 2 hours before you go in for a hair wash with any mild shampoo, and if you can keep it overnight, that'll be the best thing. Until we meet again, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.